Elvis Presley is on tour. And in today's time, this isn't even a strange headline. It's just AI and holograms. It's Thursday, January 4th, 2024, and this is episode 86 of Yay Space, the Tech Review. This is the place where you get the most important news from innovation, technology, and social media. I'm Tarek Madani Mamluk, your trusted innovation engineer.
And now, this.
So, why are we talking about Elvis?
Elvis has left the building.
Here are the facts. Production company Layered Reality produces the show Elvis Evolution. They used AI to generate an Elvis avatar from thousands of photos and videos, holographic projections, augmented reality, live theaters, and multi-sensory effects make the show lifelike. The show will tour through multiple locations all over the world. BBC is writing that Elvis is back on tour thanks to Elvis Evolution, a concert using AI and holograms. The experts at Layered Reality, known for experiences like the Gunpowder Plot and Jeff Wayne's The War of the World, own the global rights. Using thousands of Elvis's personal photos and videos, the show promises life-sized holograms for jaw-dropping experiences. Starting in London in November, the tour goes to Las Vegas, Berlin, and Tokyo, offering a new virtual concert experience. Inspired by ABBA Voyager's success, Layered Reality creates a groundbreaking show with Elvis Evolution. The concert using AI, holographic projection, augmented reality, live theater, and multi-sensory effects, giving a complete tribute to the music legend. Founder Andrew McGuinness wants to give the audience a deeper insight into Elvis's life, allowing fans to experience key moments from the 1950s and 1960s. The central London venue, yet to be confirmed, will have an Elvis-themed bar and restaurant, adding to the overall experience. Elvis Evolution celebrates the iconic singer's legacy, known for its hits like Hound Dog and Suspicious Minds. He would have turned 89 on January 8th. Elvis received the US Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2018. A 2022 film directed by Baz Luhrmann earned actor Austin Butler a BAFTA Film Award. The trend of virtual concerts seen with ABBA Voyage continues with Elvis Evolution, showcasing advanced technology and entertainment. ABBA Voyage since May 2022 makes around £2 million per week, contributing £322 million to the London economy, highlighting the economic value, the economic potential of virtual concerts. The Guardian extends the story and gives us some more background about the mysterious death of the King of Rock. Despite a history of prescription drug abuse and an unhealthy lifestyle, his sudden death from heart failure shocked many. Conspiracy theories emerged suggesting Presley faked his death, with claims ranging from mafia involvement to FBI undercover work. Gail Brewer Giorgio's 1988 book Is Elvis Alive? Proposed that the FBI used Presley as an undercover agent. Some even claimed sightings of Presley, and theories extended to him appearing as an extra in the 1990 film Home Alone. In 1997, Gallup poll revealed 4% of Americans believed Presley was still alive, while 93% were certain of his death. Just 93%. Yes, Elvis is great, but where is the praise of the engineers who literally made an AI create an hologram which is going on a world tour? Isn't this the actual breaking news?
Breaking news.
Whatever, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss an episode of Yay Space, the Tech Review.